Netflix not working on your Android TV box? Let's fix it in 1 minute. First, check your network. Open Settings, run a connection test, confirm your speed. Restart both your Android TV box and your router. Wait 30 seconds before powering back on. Update the Netflix app. Open the Play Store, find Netflix, and install any updates. Clear the app cache. Open Settings, Apps, Netflix, Storage, then clear cache and relaunch. If it persists, uninstall Netflix, reinstall from the Play Store, and sign back in. Update your Android TV operating system. Go to Settings, System, Software Update, then restart. Check your router settings. Ensure DNS and firewall settings are not blocking streaming. Verify your Netflix account and region by signing in on a phone or web browser. Test other streaming apps like YouTube or Prime Video to isolate the issue. As a last resort, backup settings and perform a factory reset on the Android TV box. If problems continue, contact Netflix or your device manufacturer. Follow for more quick fixes.